Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so happy that you are able to join me again. This video is primarily just to talk about where I see myself headed in the next few months. Okay, so how I'm going to be using this YouTube channel for good. So the first thing that I want to discuss is that I want to continue doing a do-it-yourself section on my channel. I feel like, that's just something that I'm good at. Doing things under budget. So if there's anything that you guys want me to work on, I will be more than happy to research that for you and try to do it myself and be able to explain it in an easier way. So that's number one. Number two, eventually I want to complete a video on how I became debt-free. I am very close to it, so I am thinking that video will most likely be coming sometime in the summer. So maybe like 2-3 months from now. I just want to give you some pointers of what works for me to begin getting some net worth. And third thing I want to do is I want you to accompany me on my journey of becoming a pescatarian. So what is a pescatarian? So basically it's in its name. So pesce as in fish, vegetarian as in vegetarian. You combine that and it's a diet where you are a vegetarian who eats fish. Yeah, so pretty simple. In 2014 I decided to stop eating meat completely. I did that for about a year, and then once I started to eat meat again, literally, I am not exaggerating, it was the same day, about an hour after I ate my first plate of meat, that I started to feel a change in my body. I was sluggish, I felt tired, dehydrated. I never thought that I would be able to be so in tune with my body at that point where I was going to see an actual change in what I ate and how my body reacted to it. So since then, I have introduced meat into my body. I guess it wasn't a complete deterrent, but I have been more mindful of it. In the beginning of this year, my sister and I, we decided to become vegetarian. It didn't work out so much for me. It has worked out for her, so kudos to Nancy. I am very proud of you. So I guess that's when I started to just think about where I wanted to be in my diet. Do I want to be full-blown vegan, vegetarian, or just a carnivore? And I decided that I want to eventually become a vegan. However, I am not going to do it overnight. And I know that there's people who actually say one day to another, I am going to be a vegan and I'm going to do it. And that is awesome. But I am not that person. And I've never been that type of person where I can just jump into something new and not fail at it, I guess. Oh, I don't know. In terms of food, I can't be able to do that. I can't. I love food, and I think that for me, it's just going to be easier for me to do a gradual change. And I would love for you to join me in this journey. So I personally love seafood. My parents are from Honduras, and they're actually from the coast of Honduras. So ever since I was young, every summer that I went on vacation, we ate fish. Anything that was gathered from the natural resources there. And I honestly love the flavor. I don't eat it as often now, just because it is harder for me to cook it because my boyfriend just does not like the smell of it at all. But I guess this time around, it's part of my diet, so kind of has to put up with it. I don't know. I'll let you know how that goes. But as of right now, that is where I stand. I am going to be implementing more salmon, cod, mahi-mahi, shrimp, red snapper. I love red snapper. I'll implement those things into my diet, but I am also leaning more towards staying in the vegetarian side of things. So I will be implementing the fish, maybe not as often as I guess most pescatarians do it. I was planning on doing it maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks, or maybe only when I go out to eat, because, it's a little hard to get just a simple vegetarian dish when you go out, because you know you don't want to eat salad all the time or potatoes or this stuff like that. So yeah, so I really hope that this is something that's interesting to you. I hope to upload at least once a week, just a quick update on how my pescatarian lifestyle is going. I would like to start this weekend, so on Sunday I hope to post my current weight. Mainly a reason why I want to change my diet is because of my face. I don't know if you can tell, I have a little bit of makeup on, but I have some acne. My face is not as smooth as it once was. I'm confident that a change in diet will improve my skin. So hopefully I can provide a gradual and visual change within my videos to see my improvements on that. So those are two things that I will update you guys on. And then eventually in certain videos, I plan on implementing some meal preps or some random recipes that you may want to try throughout that week or in future. So yeah, if you guys are interested in these things, feel free to leave me a comment. If there's something I didn't mention, also leave me a comment. I am open to looking into new subjects and new things, primarily right now, just because I know that health is very important to a lot of people and to myself. That's something that I will be focusing more on in this channel. Yeah, so feel free to leave a comment, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, because if you do like the content on these videos, I'm sure you're gonna want to get some notifications of new videos. I'm just guessing. But yeah, so thank you for staying this long and I really appreciate your views, and I hope to see you I guess in a couple of days once I upload my other video starting my pescatarian lifestyle. See ya. Bye.